Hi friends, in this video I'll show you how to write a text in a circle in Word. If you find this video useful, like and subscribe, thank you a lot. Let's get started. In order to make the text in a circle, go to the Insert tab, then on the right we find the text block and here select the Wordart button. From the drop-down list, select any font. For example, I'll choose the first one. Next, as you can see, a special field has appeared in which you can write a text. I'll take the text written in advance. Next, I have a new Shape Format tab on the top panel. Then go to the Wordart Style section and select the Text Effects button. Here we have various settings, but we need to go to the bottom and select Transform. Just here it's possible to select the text in a circle. I choose Circle and my text is arranged in a circle. Let's stretch it out to make a real circle. That's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and see you in other videos.